What's up, everyone? Today we're diving into the world of ethical hacking with two Linux titans, Kali Linux and BackBox. The game has changed in 2025. New tools, performance tweaks, and features could shake up your go-to distro. Whether you're a seasoned pen tester or just curious, stick around as we break down the tools, performance, and user experience of Kali Linux and BackBox. First up, the legend, Kali Linux. If you've ever dipped your toes into the world of ethical hacking or cybersecurity, you've probably heard this name. Kali is more than just an operating system, it's a complete toolkit designed for digital warriors. Developed and maintained by Offensive Security, Kali's been the undisputed king of penetration testing for years, trusted by professionals and hobbyists alike. Built on the rock-solid foundation of Debian, it comes loaded with over 600 pre-installed tools, giving ethical hackers and security pros everything they need right out of the box. From the very first step of reconnaissance all the way to exploitation and reporting, Kali covers every single stage of the pen testing lifecycle, making it a one-stop shop for security assessments. You'll find industry-standard tools like Nmap for network mapping, Metasploit for exploitation, Burp Suite for web app testing, and Wireshark for packet analysis, all seamlessly integrated. Regular updates from the Kali team ensure you're always equipped with the latest exploits, patches, and features, keeping you ahead of the curve in the fast-moving world of cybersecurity. Plus, Kali's active global community and vast online resources make learning, troubleshooting, and sharing knowledge easier than ever, whether you're a solo learner or part of a team. But with great power comes a steep learning curve. Kali can be overwhelming for beginners, especially those new to Linux or cybersecurity concepts. It demands patience and dedication to master. Still, in skilled hands, it's an absolute beast, capable of handling the most complex security challenges and advanced penetration tests. Kali's flexibility is unmatched. It now runs not just on desktops, but also on virtual machines, ARM devices like Raspberry Pi, and even Android phones, so you can take your toolkit anywhere. Its versatility, power, and reputation make it the industry standard for penetration testing and ethical hacking, and it continues to set the bar for what a pen testing OS should be. Kali Linux offers unmatched power and flexibility, but you'll need to invest time to master its advanced tools. Now let's talk about BackBox Linux. This Ubuntu-based distro is gaining traction for its user-friendliness and efficiency. BackBox offers a curated selection of the most effective pen testing tools. No overwhelming bloat. Essentials like Metasploit, Nmap, Burp Suite, and Z-Attack Proxy come pre-configured. Its streamlined approach keeps things clean and focused. Don't be fooled by its minimalism. BackBox is fast, responsive, and powerful. It's ideal for older hardware or resource-limited environments. Thanks to Ubuntu, it benefits from stability and regular security updates. BackBox's clean, intuitive interface stands out. The lightweight XFCE desktop ensures a snappy experience even on modest systems. BackBox is all about minimalism with muscle, lightweight, efficient, and packed with the essential tools for serious pen testing. Let's get down to brass tacks. When it comes to penetration testing, the tools you choose can make or break your workflow. That's why comparing Kali Linux and BackBox is so important for cybersecurity professionals and enthusiasts alike. Both Kali and BackBox come loaded for penetration testing, but their approaches differ in philosophy and execution. Kali is all about giving you the maximum arsenal, while BackBox focuses on efficiency and ease of use. Kali boasts over 600 tools covering every aspect of security assessment, from network scanning to password attacks, forensics to wireless testing. It's a one-stop shop for any scenario you might encounter. Its versatility is unmatched, making it suitable for any pen testing scenario, whether you're a seasoned red teamer or just starting out. You'll rarely find yourself missing a tool. BackBox takes a curated approach, offering around 100 essential tools. This means less clutter, faster updates, and a more focused environment for those who know exactly what they need. You won't find every niche tool, but you'll have the heavy hitters you actually use. For many, this streamlined selection is a huge advantage, reducing distractions and system bloat. Kali shines in wireless testing with tools like Aircrack, Kismet, and Reaver. If your work involves deep dives into Wi-Fi security, Kali's comprehensive toolkit is hard to beat. BackBox includes essentials like AirCrack, Eng, and Wireshark for basic to intermediate wireless testing. It covers the most common use cases, but may lack some of the advanced options found in Kali. Both distros feature Metasploit, Nmap, Burp Suite, and Wireshark, core tools that every pen tester relies on, ensuring you're never without the basics. Your choice depends on your needs. Kali for the widest range and flexibility, BackBox for focus, speed, and simplicity. Think about your workflow and which environment will help you work smarter. If you need every tool imaginable, Kali is the clear winner. It's the Swiss Army knife of pen testing, ready for any challenge. But if you want a streamlined experience, BackBox might be your best bet. It's all about efficiency, letting you focus on the task at hand without unnecessary distractions. If you prefer a more streamlined and curated experience, BackBox could be the better fit for your workflow needs. Now let's talk performance. Both distros can be resource-intensive, especially in virtual machines. Kali's massive toolset means higher system requirements, at least 20 GB storage and 4 GB RAM recommended. For heavy multitasking or resource-hungry tools, you'll want even more. BackBox is lightweight, running smoothly on as little as 1 GB RAM and 10 GB storage, perfect for older hardware or maximizing resources. On modern systems, both are fast and responsive. Kali's GNOME desktop is optimized but heavier. BackBox's XFCE desktop is even snappier, especially on limited hardware. For large datasets or complex tools, Kali's memory footprint can help, but for most tasks, both deliver a smooth experience. Both distros perform well, but BackBox's lightweight design gives it an edge on older or resource-limited machines. Nobody wants to wrestle with a clunky interface. The way your desktop looks and feels can make a huge difference in your daily workflow, productivity, and even your enjoyment of using your computer. A confusing or outdated interface can slow you down and make even simple tasks feel like a chore. That's why Kali now uses the GNOME desktop, modern, intuitive, and highly customizable. GNOME is designed to be sleek and user-friendly, with smooth animations and a clean layout that helps you focus on your work. This shift has made Kali much more approachable, especially for those who are new to Linux or just want a hassle-free experience right out of the box. On the other hand, BackBox sticks with XFCE, a desktop environment known for being lightweight, fast, and minimalist. XFCE is perfect for users who want a no-nonsense interface that gets out of the way and lets them get straight to work. Both desktops offer plenty of customization options. Whether you want to change themes, icons, extensions, or tweak the layout, you have the freedom to make your desktop truly yours. Kali's vast toolset can be overwhelming at first, but its organized menus and powerful search features help you quickly find exactly what you need, even if you're just starting out. BackBox's curated selection of tools and its intuitive layout make it easy to jump in and start working, without feeling lost or overloaded by options. Ultimately, your ideal interface depends on your workflow, your preferences, and how you like to interact with your system. If you prefer modern features, advanced customization, and a polished look, GNOME on Kali is a fantastic choice that can grow with your needs. But if you value speed, simplicity, and a distraction-free environment, XFCE on BackBox is a great option that keeps things fast and efficient. No matter which you choose, both let you tailor the experience to your style so you can work the way you want and feel right at home. Kali's GNOME desktop is sleek and modern, while BackBox's XFCE is lightweight and highly customizable. Either way, you can personalize your setup to match your preferences. Even the best hackers need support. Kali Linux boasts a massive active community, forums, chat rooms, and endless resources. Offensive Security offers top-notch documentation, tutorials, and training. BackBox's community is smaller but known for being helpful and responsive. You'll find active forums and chat rooms for BackBox users too. While BackBox lacks Kali's official support, its stability and community make troubleshooting easy. Both benefit from the broader Linux community's collaborative spirit. Tons of online resources and tutorials are available for both. Whichever you choose, you'll join a passionate cybersecurity community. Remember, there are active communities for both Kali and BackBox where you can get help, share tips, and connect with fellow users. Let's bring it all home. Choosing between Kali and BackBox depends on your needs, skill level, and preferences. Need the widest range of tools? Kali is the king. It's powerful, but expect a learning curve if you're new. Prefer a streamlined, user-friendly experience? BackBox is a solid choice. Its curated tools and lightweight design are great for beginners and older hardware. Seasoned pen testers may prefer Kali's vast arsenal, while newcomers might love BackBox's simplicity. Either way, both distros are powerful tools to boost your cybersecurity skills. Whether you choose Kali or BackBox, you're taking the first step toward mastering cybersecurity with some of the best tools available. That wraps up our look at Kali Linux and BackBox in 2025. Which distro do you prefer? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech comparisons.